I just wanted to take some time just to reflect on my time doing EFT training level 1 and 2, and just to sort of give a bit of an outline to what my experience was and the process. When I started, I had no experience at all with anything to do with EFT, had never had a session with anyone before, had heard about it from very good friends, but what I can certainly say in regards to my time doing the level 1 and 2 with Alison, it was so simplified, and Alison was so good with her understanding, her graciousness, and also that experience that she's had over so many years. So even from the first session, I felt that it was, I felt comfortable and I felt at ease, and she was able to do away, I think, with a lot of the actual nerves and things that we all had as we went through the course. And so as the weeks went on and as we were doing the actual tapping, I was finding that I was gaining so much out of it, even when it was done indirectly with someone else, and that built up my belief in it and my advocacy about it. So once it finished, and then the opportunity came to actually partake as being a practitioner, I jumped straight in. So I could say for anyone that is looking at actually doing it, whether you're male or female, whether you're young or old, doing this particular course, especially with Alison, you will have so much support, so much encouragement. Do it even if you're in a situation like myself where you've had no previous experience. You will gain a great deal of it, and it's something that you can obviously use for yourself and for a lot of others.